Okay, brother. So what happened? You need to open the remix. For that, you need to go remix.ethereum.org. Once you will go there, it will ask you some disclaimer, and once you
Okay.
click on sure, so there will be Explorer available. On the File Explorer, you just need to create file link, and you need to click like that, test.sol. Okay, I create this
Mhm.
link for you, and just like I copy this one and put it over here. Your source code will be coming here. Okay, so you can see your complete source code, and on top of that you can see there is your owner of this contract, owner of the
Yeah.
contract which you have sent it to me. I have putting over there. Okay, after that
Okay.
you need to open your MetaMask. Okay, under MetaMask I am on Rinkibai test network. Okay,
Okay.
and if you see I have zero ether available on mainnet, brother. Otherwise I would love to help you actually.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll go Rinkaby. I am very rich person in the testnet actually. uh, then you need to go there. It will it will compile your this thing. You need to do compile on that portion. Okay,
Okay.
once you click on compile, your file will get compiled. Okay, and you need to select this injected web3. Okay,
Okay.
for example, right now by default it will be JavaScript. Once you will click injected web3, it will automatically connect it with your mainnet. Right now it's
Okay.
Rinkaby, right? Okay, in Rinkaby I have this much. And under the contract you need to make sure you have to select eDinero dash your contract number name. Okay, you have to select
Okay.
eDinero. Once you select eDinero, you need to click deploy. Once you click on deploy, there will be this screen. There will be another screen will coming on the mainnet, but on testnet it will is not coming. It will confirming you the real gas price, and
Hmm.
here you need to just click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, okay, you need to wait for some time.
Okay.
Okay, now transaction is confirmed. You need to go click on this one, click on
Hmm.
this part, contract part, click on view on Ethereum Etherscan. Once you click on Etherscan, actually on testnet there is some problem. It takes some time to record this transaction, but it's already recorded. You see,
Okay.
this transaction
Yeah.
has been included in block number this one, and will be reflected in short while. So we have to
Okay.
wait for some time. Uh, Once it's done, okay, so your contract is created over here. Okay, and
Mhm.
after that, see, you will see your logo and this thing over here on mainnet. There is some problem on testnet, that's why you are not able to see at this moment. But
Okay.
once you will have in mainnet. Now I'm going to verify and publish your source code. You need to click it here, single solidity file. Then you need to check which compiler version it is. It is 6.12. Okay, I'll select
Okay.
6.12 here, 6.12, and I need to select license as MIT and then continue. Okay,
Okay.
once I continue, I just go there again, Ethereum, Control A, Control C, and paste my code over here. Once I paste my code, then I have to say I am not robot, verify and publish. It takes some time to get verified and published. After that, you will able to see your complete code over there. Okay, so you see
Okay.
contract is verified. This is your complete contract. You can see over here. Okay, all the contract variables is coming here.
Hmm.
Okay, so these are all are variables. So this is a
Yep.
variable, and this is your right contract variable. If you wanted to make any changes, so what you need to do, you need to connect it here on the MetaMask. On the MetaMask, once you connect it, then there will be some green light is will come here.
Okay.
And once it green light will come, then you can able to use all this variable over here.
Okay.
So this is how it works, and you need to, you see, is your logo is coming now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so that's how you deploy at your end, brother. Wait, let me off switch off my this thing.